Shopping for meat at Costco presents a myriad of choices, catering to a diverse range of tastes and preferences, which can initially overwhelm even the most seasoned shoppers. With its reputation for offering bulk quantities at competitive prices, Costco has become a go-to destination for many households looking to stock up on meat. Whether you're planning a large gathering or simply restocking your freezer, understanding the best and worst options available can help you make informed decisions and maximize your shopping experience. Best meats to buy at Costco. Costco's meat selection is particularly praised for its beef offerings, notably USDA Prime and USDA Choice cuts. USDA Prime beef is renowned for its exceptional marbling, which enhances tenderness and flavor, making it a preferred choice for steak enthusiasts. The USDA Choice beef offers a balance of quality and affordability, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking methods, from grilling to roasting. Both options provide consistent quality that's hard to beat in terms of taste and texture. In addition to beef, Costco excels in providing high-quality poultry options. Their organic and free-range chicken selections are popular among health-conscious consumers seeking meat raised without antibiotics or hormones. Costco's fresh whole chickens and boneless, skinless breasts are also favored for their freshness and value, making them ideal for various recipes and meal planning. Moreover, Costco's rotisserie chicken is celebrated for its convenience and savory flavor, often serving as a quick and delicious meal solution for busy families. Worst meats to buy at Costco. While Costco boasts a robust meat department, there are considerations to keep in mind when selecting certain products. Some shoppers find that Costco's pre-packaged ground beef can vary in quality and fat content, requiring careful inspection before purchase. Similarly, pork cuts at Costco may not consistently meet desired standards of tenderness and flavor, prompting shoppers to opt for fresh cuts when available. Seafood, another category where Costco offers a wide selection, requires scrutiny to ensure optimal quality and sustainability. While Costco provides both farm-raised and wild-caught seafood options, some consumers prefer the taste and environmental benefits of wild-caught varieties over farm-raised alternatives. It's advisable to check labels and choose responsibly sourced seafood to ensure freshness and minimize environmental impact. Costco's wild-caught seafood, such as salmon and shrimp, generally receives positive reviews for its flavor and freshness, making them preferred choices for seafood enthusiasts. Navigating Costco's meat aisles can be a rewarding experience with a bit of preparation and knowledge about the best options available. By prioritizing factors like quality, freshness, and sustainability, shoppers can confidently select meats that align with their preferences and dietary needs. Whether you're planning everyday meals, special occasions, or stocking up for future use, Costco's meat offerings provide a range of choices to suit every culinary occasion. Remember to inspect meats for freshness, read labels to understand sourcing practices, and consider your cooking methods to make the most of your Costco meat shopping experience. With these tips in mind, you can enjoy delicious, high-quality meals at home with Costco's premium meat selections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.